Hi, today I'm going to do a review of the Walpole 3-stage knife sharpener, and as you can tell, this is it. And we have the coarse diamond blades, you have the fine tungsten, and you have the ceramic. So you would start off on the diamonds, and the paperwork says about 4 times through each one, and by the time you get here to the ceramic, it should be all ready to go. So that's actually what I'm going to test, is to see whether or not that will work. So I've got a kitchen knife, and it is dull as all get out. So I'm going to try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go with 4. Then I'm going to move to fine. This is the tungsten. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go through the ceramic. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just a common steak knife that we've had for years. That is very sharp. Let's see my phone. That's very sharp. This was about what I would call a butter knife until I did that. That's amazing. Walpole 3-stage knife sharpener, and I'm actually, it said 4 to 6, so I'm probably going to go back through, and I'm going to do the edges. And it does say not to force it, just go easy. That has got a serious edge on this. I've had a lot of these. This is very good. Walpole 3-stage knife sharpener. This is going to go, and it's got a nice coating on the bottom that makes it stay on my granite countertop real easy. So, try it out. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments, and we'll talk to you later.